Oh wow, this is totally not even at all.
This thing is sick. Oh, and there we go.
Add a rail.
Mowgli, you're amazing.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do this video so we can beat Gabe in big game of basketball. So we're gonna run through this video.
How that's our only inspiration to film this.
We're gonna run through this video so Gabe can get whooped in basketball. But right now, we got another one of Gabe's ideas.
Uzi, wasn't this your idea? What is this?
They taste like Lego.
Can I try one?
They're delicious.
Oh, fire.
So we have a bunch of rails here. But we're gonna put rails all over this skateboard, and then it's just gonna be a rail board.
Cut the edges off.
I don't think so.
Just gonna let it go.
Yeah. Dude, that looks amazing. It looks like the, I don't even know what it looks like. We got another one right here.
We can form a drum line.
Oh, nice.
Even though I said I didn't want to use this board because this board's amazing.
Hey, it's gonna be immortalized forever. Oh wow, this is totally not even at all.
Do you want it to be in construction?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
When I was in like 4th grade.
Oh, wait.
I want to build stuff, Dad.
Yo, there's a house being built in my neighborhood, and I've been watching the process of them building this house. And I have jokingly said that I could build a house, but I 100% know I could build a house after seeing how they build it.
It's not too
Yeah,
hard.
there's a
it's
lot
just
of rules.
Annoying. Yeah.
A lot of rules.
I saw a TikTok, and it was a dude in the what is it, like the scoop of the treadmill, like the shovel part of the. Wait, what am I saying?
Treadmill? The scoop of a treadmill.
the little shovel part of a
bucket.
tractor, the bucket of a tractor.
Okay.
You said treadmill.
I know I did. I didn't mean to say that.
I was in the
Okay, no,
bucket
okay,
of the
all right,
treadmill.
all right.
I was like, what kind of treadmills do you want?
Restart! Okay, I was watching a TikTok where a man was standing and recording in the bucket of a tractor.
Yes.
And he got a string and pulled it, and the bucket started lifting up as he was singing, OSHA violation. It was hella funny, dude.
There was nobody else, it was just him, huh?
You got too much dip on your. Did that really get you?
His hand was under here, and I pushed down.
Oh my
The way you screamed, I thought you were joking. I thought he was just like, oh.
We need to build a battle bot skateboard.
I think that's it.
Battle board.
I feel like we could
Stab
squeeze some
myself.
more in here.
Bro, let's make a spoiler. Hold up. Hold up.
You're not gonna be able to pop though.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I like that idea.
Oh, I think we lost the spoiler. Yep. Gotta get that one back on. This is sick!
Tray flipping.
Dude, I have to take a picture of this. Look at it. It's sick! This thing is sick! The first ever.
All right, Uzi, we are done.
I want to ollie with the spoiler. Check me out. I'm ready for a street race. Fast and Furious.
It looks like a centipede.
It does if you skate it that way. Or it looks like a sick street car like this. Oh, and there we go. That's why we don't put spoilers on skateboards. Look at this. What does it mean? Don't know. Hey, I got an antenna. I can pick up radio frequencies with this thing. What do I do?
Kickflip.
Try kickflip?
Yeah.
Oh! That's terrifying.
No!
That was scary. Oh, we lost a couple. Oh, there goes another one. We're losing them quicker than I can pick them up. It can be done.
Who's gonna 3-flip it? I love how you popped right over the...
Ah! I got stuck for a second. I thought a screw got me.
Mowgli! Bump the bar!
Y'all just that thing grind.
What is he doing?
It's good. Yeah.
No, do not tighten the truck.
I am. I kickflipped it. He didn't.
You missed it?
Yeah.
You seem so bummed out.
I am.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, well, my bad. Let me move my stuff on up.
Predictions.
I think he's gonna do a rail slide.
As evil as I am, I would hope he got on and just immediately. I don't know if that's
What
gonna
if like this is the equation of the universe and he gets onto it and he just explodes and the whole universe ends? We wouldn't feel any pain, right? Well, you know, we were expecting like a board slide. Can someone just do a board slide, please? That's what I wanted to see.
exactly what I wanted.
That's what I wanted.
That's exactly what I wanted.
It doesn't help. The rail was faster than the wheels that I'm riding. You heard?
Hey, bro. So you were going slow, got on, and just took off. Get it, bro.
That thing's nice. It's amazing. I might have to put these on my board, Mo. I might have to throw these on my board.
I feel like you could, like, literally slide anything with these. We should slide something weird. Do you think anyone here would be able to start on there and then land on the transformer rail and then go to 2 more rails? The other 2 flat bars we have.
From here,
Down, 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 down.
where are you gonna go? You're gonna end like right here?
Oh, well, I mean, we'll just put as many until we hit the wall. Do you think you could do that?
We could try. I think Uzi wants to try it. I think Uzi could do it.
I volunteer for him.
You volunteer him? Or
Well, he did it on the Razor, so it would be.
Well, we're gonna add more rails though.
I think he got to. He got the balance.
I could barely make it across the.
No, you can do it.
I mean, we don't have to do this. The other one too.
Can I land the first one?
Yeah, let me land the first one.
Let me just get past this one and then he might take it up a notch.
The Godfather has blessed me. I have his blessing.
Well, the key is going fast, I guess. Let's go, Moog!
It's amazing.
That's kind of scary.
It really is.
Yes. Oh! Oh! Add a rail. Yes, sir. Add a rail.
Mowgli, you're amazing.
Oh! I think you can fit one more rail and roll into the wall. Yes, sir. You got it. Oh, yep.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Oh my god! That's a hard.
For one thing, just I gotta say this right now. Body! Body!
Are you good?
Yeah, Yeah, I got it. And just, hold on, no, he didn't dent the rail.
I'll let you
start the car
and drive in the parking lot one time, and then park the car back.
Also has the keys.
Hey, you better touch my car.
That balance.
That was insane.
Almost had Nigel's car.
He did. Let's go! Land it? That's up to you. All right, right here.
This one for fun?
Let's go!
That's how you do it.
Why are you the best?
Thanks to, you see, I wouldn't be able to do it without the blessings of the Godfather. You get blessed.
There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. And check out those grind rails because they're actually really good.